So hello and welcome you all to sailtomdsacademy Dental Academy. I'm Dr. Malay Trivedi, Professor and Director of the Academy. So dear students, today the announcement has come regarding NEET MDS 2025. They have announced the date, that is 19th of April 2025, and soon from 18th Feb, that is after 3 days, they are going to start with the form filling. Already we uploaded the videos how you have to fill the form, what are documents you require, so please do it properly and in perfect way. And now dear students, we have a good ample of time, 2 months for the NEET MDS. Okay, if anybody wishes for the examination or to prepare, please let us know. Okay doctor, so we have the crash course for the 2 months, that is NEET MDS 2025 crash course, where more than 50 exams including past papers are available. We have 700 micro lectures which you can revise topic wise very easily, and you can access at your wish and will on the app and via website also. Okay, and important notes, clinical and exam oriented notes are provided for your easy and quick reference. So if anybody wishes to join, please let me know on the number given on the screen. That can be helpful for your preparation. So dear student, take care, work hard. Any doubt you have regarding form filling or anything, you can contact me on the number given.